Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura Barista XS90. I came to the shop because primarily because the spout was broken. You can see here the old spout. The left spout's broken right here. And we just replaced it with a new one. And then also, just due to the age of the machine and for preventative maintenance, we did a tune-up on the machine. So we take out the brew unit, we clean it out, soak it, replace the brew unit gasket, we put it back in, and then we run a clean and descaling cycle on the machine. Yeah, so that's about it for this repair. I'm just going to test a single shot of espresso. There we have it. Nice Jura espresso. Alright, thank you for watching.